Hey, you have the questions and I have the answers, so check out this next video.
Exposing the secret to a higher home sale price. It's easier than you think. First up, curb appeal. A fresh coat of paint on the front door and a tidy yard can work wonders. Next, tackle those pesky repairs like leaky faucets and squeaky floors. Buyers love a move-in ready home. And don't forget the kitchen and bathrooms. Small updates here can make a big impact. Neutral paint colors? Yes, please. They make spaces feel bigger and brighter. Finally, deep clean and declutter. A clean, spacious home is a buyer's dream. Remember, not all updates are equal, so consult your agent. Got more questions? Contact me today and let's chat.